How to adjust intensity during foam rolling for beginners. Foam rolling is a simple and effective way to relieve muscle tension and improve flexibility, but controlling the intensity is important to ensure comfort and effectiveness. Here are some easy ways to adjust the pressure during your foam rolling sessions. Decreasing intensity. Use a towel, soft mat, or yoga mat. You can place a towel or roll up a soft mat and either wrap it around the foam roller or lay it over the roller. This will reduce the firmness of the roller, making it gentler on sensitive muscles. Shift your body weight. If you're finding the pressure too intense, reduce it by shifting your weight onto your hands, arms, or the side of your body not being rolled. This takes weight off the area being rolled. Keep body parts on the ground. Instead of lifting your hips or legs completely off the ground, keep one leg or your hips on the ground to reduce the pressure on the roller. Use a wall for standing foam rolling. Another great way to reduce pressure is by standing with the foam roller between your body and a wall. You can control how much weight you put into the roller by adjusting how much you lean in, making it easier to control the intensity. Increasing intensity. Lift your body. To apply more pressure, lift your hips or other body parts off the floor, allowing more of your weight to press into the foam roller. Cross your legs. When rolling areas like your calves or quads, crossing one leg over the other will increase the pressure on the muscle being rolled. Use a firmer roller. For more experienced users, switching to a firmer foam roller can provide deeper pressure and a more intense massage. Start with a manageable intensity and adjust as needed. The goal is to feel moderate discomfort, enough to encourage muscle release, but not pain. Always listen to your body to make sure you're applying the right amount of pressure for the most effective results.